Hi. In this video, you will learn about product routing using basic 3D objects in FlexSim. Product routing is determined by the output port number of the downstream objects. Let's build a simple model and analyze this core concept. Drag and drop a source, 3 queues and a processor. Connect source to Q1, Q1 to processor and processor to Q2 and Q3 using a connection. After making the connection, let's analyze the routing setup from the processor to the 2 downstream queues. Click on the Ports tab of the processor. Here select the output ports and you will be seeing Q2 and Q3. This means that Q2 is connected to the processor through port 1 and Q3 is connected to the processor through port 2. Hope you have an idea about the port number. Go to the send to port of the processor. Here you have specified the port number to which the products has to be routed to. For instance, if I put 1 there and run the model, then products will be routed to only output port number 1 object, which is Q2. And if I put 2 over there and run the model, the items will routed to Q3, which is the second port number object. Furthermore, if you want to customize the routing, you can select multiple options in the send to port pick list or write process flow logic or write a flex script code. Thanks for watching.